Hi everyone, welcome to Apple Tech page. Many iPhone users are reporting that whenever a phone call ends, they get three beeps that play through their iPhone speaker. Here I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. First solution is turn off Play Haptics in silent mode. For that, launch Settings app. Next, tap on Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down to bottom and turn off Play Haptics in silent mode if it's turned on. Solution 2 is first restart your iPhone. For iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 series and iPhone SE second and third generation, do the following steps. First, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Don't release this button when you see slide to power off. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the side button and volume down button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. Third solution is check for iOS update. To do this, go to Settings app. Next, tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If new version of iOS update is available, download and install it. Then check if problem has been fixed or not. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to Apple Tech page.